guys, today is Wednesday. People been asking me, where have I been for the past couple of days? You know what? We've been here. Let me turn the camera, you guys can see what I see. We've been here. Let's see, Monday hi kids. Hi kids. Monday, let's see, Monday there was no school because of the typhoon that was coming through. Yeah, there was no school Monday. They called off school. It was in the morning, about 6 o'clock. Got a message, said no school. It didn't rain too much. Rained some, but not enough to, I guess, justify calling off school. But that's what they do here. If they're anticipating bad weather, bad storm, they'll just call off school because kids, you know, take public transportation, trikes, jeepneys, plus parents drive the kids to school. And there are certain areas that do flood around here. Matter of fact, down by Hannah Grace's school, it floods really bad. So, you know, they don't want to take the chance, you know, get the kids to school and then have some flooding or flooding on the way to school. So they called off school. Tuesday, overcast, kind of rainy. Kind of overcast right now. I'm just going to do a little walk around the block here. Hey, there's Oppo. Hey, Oppo. Oppo. What do you got, your snacks? Oppo. All right, thank you, Oppo. Salamat, thank you. Cute kid. But yeah, let's see. Nothing really going on. We did our live show this morning. Like I said, I'm just out about walking around. I'm going to just walk around the block. House and lot for sale. I don't see a house in here. I just see a lot. I see a lot with some ducks. Some ducks in there. Maybe it's a balut. Oh, there's the barbecue kid again. Here's a puppy. Hi, puppy. Alice is hot and diesel. We'll take a walk down this way. It's where all the action seems to be. It's tilapia. Selling their tilapia here. Fresh tilapia. Fresh tilapia. Fresh. What's that fish? Milkfish. Milkfish and tilapia. Thank you. Both sides of the street got some action going on. It's about 5 o'clock. This is usually when the barbecues start happening. Watch out I don't step in some dog mines. Internet cafe here on the left, so it says. Ah, puppy. Ah, puppy. That's a nice size store right there. Uh-oh. There he is. There he is. Salad.
5, 10, 15, 20.
There he is. Another barbecue stand. Fried goods. Hello. All chicken?
Yes, chicken. We have this head of the chicken.
Chicken head, chicken breast, chicken leg.
Wings.
Wings. What's that? Quail egg? Quail egg?
Intestine.
and in testing. Another chicken guy. Thank you. Another water guy. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
YouTube.
Oh, huh?
Video me and we'll go to YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah, YouTube.
Yeah.
There's the basketball court. I almost got run over. There is the local basketball court.
Hi sir, how are you?
Good, how are you? There's a puppy. Here they are. That's the local basketball court. See, you got some guys wearing chinelas, some guys wearing no shoes. They take basketball very seriously. I don't know who knows who's on what team. When we played shirts and skins. That's how we knew who was on what team. Yeah, these dudes are playing with no chinelas on, nothing. All right. Another barbecue stand. I got it.
Where are you going?
This way. This way. I was just going to take a walk around the block, but got sidetracked. Hello.
What's that?
Is that your rooster cage?
Huh?
For your rooster?
Yeah.
Yeah. Video. Hello. Here's the rooster cages. They put their cages in the roosters, or the roosters in the cages here. Just let them hang out. Very common here. I was looking at, are they your roosters?
Yeah.
Are they your prized possession? Yeah. Yeah, that's typical here. See the roosters in cages like that. Let me see. I think we will. And we'll take a stroll up this way. This is going to bring us. It'll bring us out to the road that goes to 4 Points. We'll just head up this way. Don't think I ever walked up this road. dog bombs in the middle of the road. Got to watch out for them. Hello. Hello.
Hey!
Hey.
Hey!
Trying to bite. Got construction going on here. Hello. Lots of construction going on this street. Honey available there. 100% pure organic honey. Is that good honey? Good honey?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Pure honey.
Pure honey?
Pure.
Pure. No, no.
100 pesos only.
100? Well, I know where it's at. I know now.
100 pure. Pure 100.
Pure honey. Local? Local honey? From around here?
You know, the mountain.
Up in the mountain? Oh, thank you. Salamat.
Okay. Are you speaking together?
Tiny. Little bit. He says it's honey, pure 100% honey from up in the mountains. Little game of badminton going on. Some gardening going on. Puppies. They're your puppies?
Yeah.
Yeah? They're cute. Cute puppies. Very cute.
Their name is Blade and Trixie.
Blade and Trixie.
Yeah, they're a girl and boy.
They almost look like a German Shepherd. No, they're mixed. Yeah, very nice. Blade and Trixie.
Yes.
They know their name. Thank you. What are you planting?
Tomato and papaya.
Tomato and papaya.
Yeah.
All through here.
Soon.
Soon. Oh. Yeah, those were cool puppies. There's some more puppies. Cool eyes. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Hey. 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 Oh, YouTube. YouTube.
Hey,
People had made comments about that dog up at the LTO that was in that little cage. I don't know whose dog that was, but I do know there are a lot of people that are there throughout the week. So I'm sure it's I'm sure somebody feeds it and takes care of it. You know, it is sad to see a dog in a cage like that, but it's the Philippines, and that saying, it is what it is. Well, it is what it is. Warning, CCTV camera, and beware of dog. Hello, watch out. Somebody tagged it. Somebody tagged the building. All right, now we're back on the street that leads into 4 Points. All right, we'll take a walk down through 4 Points now. We're gonna start at the fish guy. We did a video here with this guy and his family, so we're gonna start here. Smells good, smells good. And we'll just take a walk down this way. What does that smell good? Milkfish and tilapia. Hi. Sewing person. Oh. What's that? Oh, jerseys. No. Do you sew all them? You make all them? Yeah. No, I'm good, thank you. You're the tailor? Is this a family business? Yeah, family business. Okay. Thank you. There's a couple tailor shops down here. Like I said, a lot of these are just family businesses that are ran by the family. I think that wheel's stuck. Hang on, they're backing up. I don't want to get run over. Hello. Another barbecue. School bus trying to get down here. This is a private school. Brightwood School. Yeah, it's a private van. Got another barbecue stand. Hello, hello. They all pretty much sell the same thing. I gotta watch I don't get run over here. Oh. Got the chicken guy, good chicken. Sorry to disturb the girls again, the CC girls. And another vendor, little sorry store there. Hello. There's all the vendors. Everybody breaks something out and sells it in the evening. Hello. At the egg people. Hello. Barbershop. Alright guys, let's head back to the, look at the congestion here. Traffic jam. Traffic jam. Major traffic jam. I don't know, what's it, about 5:30 maybe? All right, now I can walk. It's crazy. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Like I said, we haven't gone anywhere. We didn't leave you guys, just, I guess you could say, took a couple days off and didn't really do too much. But no, we're not going anywhere. We're gonna keep putting out vlogs. I was supposed to get the oil changed today, but that didn't work out. Went to the garage and I told him just order everything and I'll be back tomorrow. And that's what he's doing. He's ordering everything. So tomorrow I just show up. Everything will be there. And he's going to change the oil for on the Demon car. And going to get a blood transfusion on the Demon car. But that's what's going on tomorrow. This weekend, maybe we're going to head up towards Tarlac. There's a couple memorials up there from the from the Death March. There's, I think, 2 memorials up there that we want to check out. I've seen videos of it and I've seen photos of it, and I've always wanted to check it out. So we're going to head up that way this weekend. Hopefully it doesn't rain, and I will break out the drone. You guys asked about the drone. I saw the drone still running, haven't crashed it, just haven't gotten it out. So anyways, guys, tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's a new day. The journey continues, and we'll see you then.